One that was vectored, one that's not.
Is pretty fucking cool. So
Yeah.
we talk. Is that the one we're protoing?
Yeah, we're protoing that right now.
That was comfy, good fit, was nice.
Alright, just finished up my meeting with Berg and Shane. Shane, the person you saw in the video, is our designer. So he designs all the patterns and material selection, etc. And goes over to source materials for us. He's an expert in that. So yeah, just going back now to play some staying and they hit up some squats at the gym. So yeah, hopefully I can do something heavy. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a cold, so. So that's squats done. I only managed to get up to 240 for a single. I didn't bring my squat shoes with me, so I did the squats purely in flat foot, and I haven't done that in a very, very long time, so the mechanics of it felt all different. Didn't have as much quad in it. Previously, when I did injure myself, it was actually from flat foot and really tight adductors. So I tore a bit of my adductor on the way down in the stretch reflex. So that's why I transferred over to wrapped lifting and heeled shoes primarily to put all that pressure or most of the pressure onto my quads. Michael's got his new car. It's the GT3 RS. He's the co-founder of Hazard Hunters, so it'll be really exciting to see it in person. What would the RS be comparable to like the competitors?
You're saying price or you're saying speed or like?
I guess lap times.
I think RS is 6th fastest moving burglol.
Welcome, Mr. Social Media himself. Mitchie, how's it going? Rudy.
What's his name? Brutus.
They're
Embroidery's clean.
Super clean.
The material feels nice
Even
too.
the eye, dude.
Yeah, I sort of feel like this is a patch. But
Oh no, it's embroidered.
just super clean and dirty.
Super clean.
Yeah.
Where are the t-shirts you were talking about?
The
The Walker ones.
I don't know if I'm gonna upload this part, but
Just send it to him.
that's a nice shirt.
okay, so feel that, and feel this, brand new, and feel this.
Scratchy. Yeah, right. Who's this from?
That's Kith.
Right.
This is us.
Yeah.
Brand new, and that's them.
Yep.
I think this is for the same. This is the same price.
Oh yeah. They're sick. Voodoo actually turned out so cool.
I think the voodoo turned out great.
It turned out so cool.
Yeah.
That's
I was a
mad.
bit worried about that one when we did. I was like, oh, I don't know how if this is gonna translate.
No, it came across really well.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. Me and Mitch, we're heading to the pop-up location at Below Ground and stocking it up with everything that's going to be, I guess, store facing to begin with, and back stock is going to be loaded up maybe in the next few days.
Fucked up nigga, I don't want your pity. I just wanted love, but I'm way too busy. Rap moving up, I might come to your city. It's hot in the H, but my heart's still chilly. I just need a gram, some bread, and a quickie if I ain't your man. Shit, cause the road looks shitty. Been like that for months. I might roll a blunt and hit that shit once, cause the nigga been served. God, I can't wait till the day shit over. Used to walk around with a chip on my shoulder for every last person I love who folded. I would give grace, but I'd rather give closure. I would take breaks, but I'd rather move forward. I done been chewed up, spit out, kicked out, let down, but I'm still a motherfucking soldier. So fuck what you told me if you show me different. Fuck what you showed me if you came up missing. I know that actions speak louder than words. To think about change and never consistent. I ain't got paid more than I paid attention.
What do you want, baby?
I'll get Larry's, please.
Larry's.
Oh wait, is that big?
That's a good one. Larry's is pretty filling. Diamond Jim is like
That was last time. No, I'll have Larry's. I was a smaller
too
one.
much for you.
Yeah.
Look at
Murder on call with the 5-9. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fucking tailor dinner every nighttime? Smoking that dope off the floor, let me blow. Hopefully don't cup, don't fuck with y'all. Spray paint the walls with blood and whatever. Drag you outside, let you